Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant. So Quant, is the low already in? Can we start to go up? Well, it's getting very interesting, certainly, especially after the price action of the last few days. So we're going to take a look at the lower level wave count in a minute. First, let's take a look at the higher time frame. Here, first impulse to the upside back in September 21, all-time high at around $430. It then came down in an ABC pattern, in a 5-wave move, then in the wave C to the downside here. We are in the 5th wave, maybe already complete now, and we're going to zoom in a minute, which means the overall correction could be over, or we are very, very close to completing the overall correction. That's in such a wave 2, here wave 1, here wave 2, that in such a wave 2 we are coming into such a price range is absolutely common. Not generally across crypto, generally along various asset classes, especially the more volatile ones, that in a wave 2 you touch the 88.7% fib level, maybe briefly drop below it, which is not ideal, but cryptos like to do that. And that was here the 48.54 level. Now, target level for the next all-time high would be $720 as a minimum. That's the 1.618 extension, and we would be talking about a wave 3 to the upside. So it's a bit less than a 10x from here. But again, it's the minimum. So looking at this now, this is starting to get promising. So first of all, let's assume, or let's summarize what Quant needed to do to complete all the requirements for the correction. First of all, it needed to get into this yellow price range, which it did. That was then a wave 3 low here, touching the 88.7% fib level. Then it came up here in a wave 4. That's the period where I told you, not only necessarily about Quant, but generally across the crypto market and Bitcoin, that we will have to make another lower low because this structure is not useful to build a new all-time high on. And we made another lower low. So check, the next requirement fulfilled. And it started to move up impulsively, which is also the next requirement, that here a rotation of the trend is starting, or it has already started. So the requirements to complete this correction have all been fulfilled. And it would be ideal for Quant now to start to move up, because we should not drop once more, ideally below the 88.7% fib level. It's useful to stay above that level. It has to do a lot with market sentiment. Now we are staying currently above that level. We're holding it. That level again is around $49. And we have moved up impulsively. One more wave to the upside is missing. Then we would have a first confirmation that we have seen a larger impulse to the upside unfolding. So at the moment it's looking promising. We even moved above the 50-day moving average. That's currently located at $61. Next requirement would be to break above the $91 level. Told you in the last video that a next uptrend can start if we break above $91. That's the breakout point. Didn't happen so far. So we're waiting for that. What we would need to see now, so in the last video I told you here, this is the breakout point, need to get above that. That's the key resistance box. From a Fibonacci extension point of view, in this wave 3, let's take a look. We've touched here the 1.618 extension. It's perfect, perfect. And this, what we can label with wave 4, absolutely within the range of what it should do. Absolutely, still very, very good, very strong. I would even say that Quant is currently looking stronger than any other coin that I cover. Given that we've moved up here in a 1, came down in a 2, perfect retracement levels, moved up in a 3, perfect extension level, moved down in a 4, perfect retracement level. In the last video we had here touched the 23.6% level, but I told you here that is only the minimum a wave 4 needs to do. That was at $80.73. And I told you the ideal level for retracement is always the 38.2% fib level in a wave 4. Could go to the 50% level as well, but it shouldn't go below that. So from here we saw a strong reaction so far to that level. And let's go to the 1-hour chart. And again, we're approaching resistance here. So again, this would be first indication that indeed wave 4 is over, would be a move above that $83, $84 range. Now we haven't managed to do that yet. And again, breakout point would be above $91. Then that move should take us, and this is what needs to happen for a breakout scenario. We need to move now above this resistance area. I'm not telling you this is happening. I'm telling you this needs to happen to make a breakout scenario much more likely, because if this now happens, then we will have a 5-wave move complete on a higher time frame. This would then be followed by an ABC correction, a wave 2, which might take us around here into the area around $60 to $70 again. And that could be another entry point. Yeah, and this would be a great confirmation. If we see 5 moves unfolding now, at the moment we only have 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. This could just be an ABC and we crash down once more. Therefore, we need this 5th wave, making a substantially higher high compared to the wave 3. So this is now getting exciting. And then we need the 3-wave move down. That would be confirmation that, there's a huge chance that the low is then in, or the low was in here at $41. Okay, that's my view about Quant. So exciting to see. Let's see if this is going to happen. For now, if that $74.50, it's the 38.2 fib level. If that holds here at $74.59, there's a good potential to move higher. Should we lose it, we could come down to $69.64. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update about Quant. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.